Hi YouTube. We had an unusual weather event last night. We had what's called an ice storm up here. Basically it was freezing rain all night, and you can see that the trees are just absolutely covered in ice. Here, let me get close here. I mean, look at this. And as you're in the woods, you're going to hear trees coming down, you're going to hear limbs coming down. I don't know if you can pick that up. One just came down over there. It's actually very dangerous to be out in the woods with this kind of event, because you just never know. The trees just can't support this. We had a storm like this about 15 years ago, and it was devastating. So I have no idea, honestly, if I were to venture out, what I'd be looking at. You might be able to hear that. It's just unbelievable. Everything is just coated in this incredibly thick ice. Everything. I mean, you can imagine what the roads are like. These types of storms are just absolutely devastating up here to the trees. In fact, a lot of the trees from the last ice storm are still they never recover from this. This absolutely cripples them. It's just too much weight. But I mean, it was just raining all last night, and the ground was so cold that everything froze once it touched the ground. Let me step back here so you might be able to hear this is how hard the snow is. And everything is extreme. I mean, everything is covered in ice. You know, the roads are a mess. And the thing is, it's eerily quiet. You don't even hear any any wildlife in the woods, other than like the occasional squirrel. It's just really quiet. And every now and then you'll hear a tree branch come down. It'd be quite the video if I end up falling on my butt here. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's so it's so destructive and yet so beautiful too at the same time. You know, it's just amazing. I have today off, so it looks like I'll be watching some football today, and I'll let the good folks that plow for the towns and lay salt down, I'll let them do their thing. What an amazing, amazing force of nature here, though. I don't know, I just thought it was kind of cool, and I thought you guys might be interested. I mean, this is just, it's just unbelievable to see. Alright, YouTube, take care. I'll be having some hot cocoa and watching some football today. That'll be the extent of my day. Maybe wrap some presents.